Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to the menu. Here you have to enable QR code reader in case if you have it disabled. Then just find some QR code like this one. And as soon as your camera reads it, here's the link to this QR code. Just tap on it and you can open this page in browser. But unfortunately I have no internet connection, but you can see the link to this page here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.